Introduction. The Journey Beyond Yourself. Michael A. Singer begins The Untethered Soul by inviting us to witness the inner workings of our consciousness. He opens the door to a journey inward, not to change ourselves, but to realize that who we think we are is not who we truly are. The premise is simple. We are not our thoughts, emotions, or experiences. We are the one who observes them. This realization lays the foundation for profound spiritual awakening. Part 1. Awakening Consciousness. Chapter 1. The Voice Inside Your Head. Singer introduces us to the constant inner dialogue, the never-ending chatter in our minds. He explains that this voice narrates, judges, fears, and controls. But it is not you. You are the one who hears the voice, not the voice itself. Lesson. Learn to observe your thoughts without identifying with them. The moment you realize that you're the observer, you begin the path to inner freedom. Chapter 2. Your Inner Roommate. The mind is like a crazy roommate you live with. You wouldn't trust or obey someone who talks as chaotically as your inner voice. Yet we let it dictate our lives. Lesson. Begin to separate your identity from the voice in your head. You are not your mind's ramblings. Chapter 3. Who are you? Singer challenges us to strip away all labels, memories, and roles to find our true self. When everything falls away, what remains is pure awareness, the silent witness. Lesson. Your essence is consciousness itself. Not the body, not the mind, just the one who notices all things. Chapter 4. The Lucid Self. Lucid dreaming shows us we can wake up within a dream. Likewise, we can wake up inside our waking lives, becoming aware of awareness itself. Lesson. Learn to live in a lucid state of being, always aware of the one who sees. Part 2. Experiencing Energy. Chapter 5. Infinite Energy. When we live open-heartedly, we tap into infinite energy. It's not the events outside that drain us, but our inner resistance to them. Lesson. Let go of inner blockages and boundless energy will flow through you. Chapter 6. The Secrets of the Spiritual Heart. Singer speaks of the heart as the center through which energy flows. When open, we feel joy and connection. When closed, we feel fear and pain. Lesson. Don't close your heart in response to pain. Keep it open and let emotions flow through without clinging. Chapter 7. Transcending the tendency to close. We often close off when something challenges our comfort, but each moment is an opportunity to remain open. Lesson. Use discomfort as a doorway. Each time you stay open in the face of fear, you grow stronger. Part 3. Freeing Yourself. Chapter 8. Let go now or fall. Holding on to pain, fear, or desire traps us. Letting go is the secret to spiritual freedom. Lesson. Surrender the moment resistance arises. Release it like a breath, and peace will follow. Chapter 9. Removing your inner thorn. We all carry thorns, old wounds we protect. Instead of healing them, we construct lives around avoiding pain. Lesson. Rather than changing the world to avoid discomfort, remove the thorn within. True healing lies in release, not avoidance. Chapter 10. Stealing freedom for your soul. The soul longs for freedom, but we steal it away by clinging to fear and control. Lesson. Your natural state is joy and openness. Free yourself by allowing each moment to pass through you. Chapter 11. Pain, the price of freedom. Growth demands discomfort. Real freedom comes when we allow pain without resisting it. Lesson. Face pain with courage. Let it rise, pass, and transform you. Part 4. Going Beyond. Chapter 12. Taking Down the Walls. We build emotional walls to protect ourselves, but those same walls imprison us. Lesson. Tear down the psychological defenses that keep you safe, but separate from life. Vulnerability is the gateway to spiritual liberation. Chapter 13. Far, far beyond. To go beyond, we must give up the illusion of control. We must surrender completely. Lesson. Spiritual awakening begins when you stop resisting reality and allow life to unfold as it is. Chapter 14. Letting go of false solidity. We cling to people, possessions, beliefs, hoping they'll ground us, but this false solidity only breeds fear. Lesson. Everything is temporary. Embrace change and uncertainty with trust. Part 5. Living Life. Chapter 15. The Path of Unconditional Happiness. Happiness is not something to chase. It's a choice you make now, regardless of conditions. Lesson. Commit to unconditional happiness. Don't let anything steal your joy. Chapter 16. The Spiritual Path of Non-Resistance. Resistance creates suffering. Acceptance is the highest form of strength. Lesson: say yes to life as it is. Flow with reality rather than fight it. Chapter 17. Contemplating Death. Reflecting on mortality awakens us. When we realize life is fleeting, we begin to truly live. Lesson: let the certainty of death inspire gratitude, urgency, and peace. Chapter 18. The Secret of the Middle Way. Singer promotes balance, not indulgence or denial, but presence. Lesson: don't swing from extreme to extreme. The middle way is harmony, equanimity, and centeredness. Chapter 19. The Loving Eyes of God. True awakening reveals the presence of divine love in everything. The more we surrender, the more this love shines through. Lesson: when the ego dissolves, what remains is pure love. Live as that love. Chapter 20. Living Untethered. The final chapter is a call to radical freedom. Live without chains. Let life flow through you. Don't cling, don't resist, just be. Lesson: realize you are not tethered to your past, your pain, or your mind. You are free. You always were. Final reflection. The Untethered Soul is a guide to inner freedom. It teaches that awakening is not about gaining something new. It's about letting go of what keeps you from realizing what's always been true. You are the witness, the awareness, the untethered soul. When you stop clinging, stop resisting, and simply let go, you become limitless. You become peace itself.